Welcome to the video of Rajya Puraskar. Tests for Rajya Puraskar badge. Syllabus for Rajya Puraskar badge. Ensure proficiency in the tests undertaken up to Tritiya Sopan. Hold Tritiya Sopan badge. Earn ambulance badge. Undertake overnight hike for 10 kilometers along with group of guides of her own company and submit report to the guide captain within 10 days, or an overnight cycle hike for 25 kilometers along with group of guides of her own company and submit report to the guide captain within 10 days. Write the report. Work on one of the following for 6 months and submit a report: kitchen garden, roof garden, hanging garden. You can paste some photos here. Mapping. Make a map by using any one of the method not done earlier. Campcraft. Be able to pitch, strike and pack a single, double fly tent. Splicing. Make a patrol pioneering project. Earn any 3 of the proficiency badges not earned earlier from among the given below. Earn any 2 of the proficiency badges not earned earlier out of the following. Have knowledge about the Bharat Scouts and Guide website and gain information about your regional headquarters. Then you will get Rajya Puraskar badge. Certificate of Rajya Puraskar affixed here. Thank you.